everyone, Sat Shri Akal, welcome to my channel. So recently I made a laptop sleeve for my laptop and I thought of sharing all the details with you. So without further ado, let's see how I made it. Now let's see what all things you will need. A pair of scissors, marker or chalk, an inch tape, the main fabric for the sleeve, in my case I used faux leather, a fabric for inner lining and I used velvet for it. So before cutting or stitching anything, we need to take the measurements. So you need to measure the length, breadth and the thickness of your laptop. Now when you have all the measurements with you, now let's begin cutting the main fabric. Well, this totally depends upon the dimensions of your laptop, but usually you take about 2 to 3 inches extra fabric width-wise and about 7 to 8 inches length-wise. Now coming to the inner fabric, I used some velvet lying around in my house and that worked perfect for me. When it comes to cutting, you need to cut it a little longer than the outer fabric, but the breadth remains the same. The reason I kept the inner fabric a little longer than the outer one is because I want to use the inner fabric, the inner lining, as a piping for my laptop sleeve. Once you are done with the cutting, you need to place both the fabrics together with the right sides facing each other. If the fabrics you are using are like mine, then you might need some pins to hold them together. So this is exactly what I did. I pinned them up properly and then I turned the upper fabric over and then I sewed them. I used a basic mechanical sewing machine and it worked perfectly okay, but remember taking number 11 needle. Then I sewed the fabric from both sides and then from all the 4 sides. Now as you can see, one is the right side of the upper fabric, that is leather, and one is velvet. Now once we are done, we need to fold them together just as we would in case of a pillow cover. The longer side will go in and it will make a flap and then we'll sew it from both the sides. If you don't know how much to fold, you can use your laptop for the same and then you can mark the points. So that's exactly how I made the easiest laptop sleeve at home. If you are looking to add some extra cushion in it, you can use 1 or 2 layers of fleece between these fabrics. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.